our STHL factory with more than 90 years of expertise, we ensure every through-hole component is perfectly placed. This is our deep assembly process. Skilled technicians accurately install connectors, large capacitors, and other through-hole components. Each placement is verified for correct orientation and position force travel through our wave soldering system, creating solid solder connections. Heat-sensitive components receive careful manual soldering for guaranteed reliability. Every board undergoes rigorous functional testing. We simulate real operating conditions to verify performance and catch any potential issues. Our rotary brush system removes all flux residue. Then quality inspectors examine every board under bright lights, ensuring zero defects. Approved boards are packed in anti-static materials with secure packaging, ready for safe shipping to customers worldwide. From PCB fabrication and PCBA to cable harnesses and complete box build assembly, we provide complete manufacturing solutions. Partner with us for reliable electronics manufacturing.